This is the Yucon by Frankia 63H. Hi, I'm Nigel from SMC Motorhomes, and today we're going to be taking a look around the Yucon by Frankia 63H model. This van is 6.36 metres long, 2.75 metres high and 2.05 metres wide. It is a 3.5 tonne van with a very impressive 500 kilos payload. It's built on the 180 brake horsepower automatic Fiat chassis, so let's take a quick walk around the outside. It's built with the alloy wheels, and then moving back we've got the electric step and the LED strip light above the door. Then we've got the wastewater drain down here and your freshwater fill on this part of the van. This vehicle actually has 110 litres of fresh water on board and 80 litres of waste. Now moving to the back of the van, we've got the reverse camera low down on this one because it is the high-top van. Having it low down gives you a nice wide-angle view around the vehicle. Along this side we have your electric hookup, and then we have your toilet cassette service area. Now let's take a look at the really interesting bit, the inside of this impressive vehicle. So here in the cabin dinette area, we've got all those nice little touches that you would expect to come from a quality brand like Frankia. Things like the embossed seats, leather steering wheel, we've got the 9-inch media system that includes sat-nav. Moving back into the dinette, we've got extra travel seats, these really nice little touch lights, and lots of storage. Down below the table in the floor there's a storage area, and then up around the top. Also down here we've got 240 volt electric and a USB socket for your rear seat travelling passengers. The table comes around so that there's seating for 4 and enough space for 4 to eat here. It's a really nice place to be. So now let's move down and have a look at the kitchen area of this vehicle. Moving back from the dinette area, up above here we have all of your control panels. So you've got your heating, the rear bed, and then your main control panel for all of your battery conditioned water systems. Above that, with this being the high top, we've got lots of storage up here. So we've got storage above the kitchen area and here, and storage below. On this side there is a really large cupboard that has then also got 2 more USBs in. Looking at the kitchen, we've got 2 burner hob and a stainless steel sink, lots of storage underneath and lots of workspace. We've got the little flip up there, and then we can also use the kitchen area as well. So lots of storage space, lots of prep space. Now let's take a look further behind this. Here we have the 90 litre compressor fridge with icebox in, and then some wardrobe space underneath that. Now let's take a look at the shower and washroom. This van is equipped with a enclosed shower and toilet area. We've got the tambour door on the outside. We've then got a skylight above and a small window at the side. It comes with a wooden slatted shower tray. We have the pull-out toilet and the fold-away sink. It gives lots of space for when you're having a shower. The rear of this van is what really sets it apart from most van conversions. We have 2 full-size double beds in the rear. The lower one is 1.94 metres long and 1.3 metres wide. The upper one is 1.94 metres long and 1.4 metres wide. We have in the back, we have a nice little cubbyhole at the rear which has got 2 more USBs in, which gives you a total of 7 in this vehicle. We then have lots of storage around the side for all of your belongings. What we're going to do now is show you in the rear of this van what it can adapt into, and such things as the outside shower point and what we can fit in the rear. So we can have the bed like this, or this, or we can even have it like this. So after you've finished your day's adventures of walking, cycling, or whatever you enjoy doing, you can use this rear area as a nice little chill out area and sit and have a drink, so you're not getting the front of the van dirty. What we've also got at the back here, which is absolutely impressive, is all of the storage. We've got handy little pockets up above, and then lots of cupboard space. So now let's have a look at those. So I have been the original Nigel today, showing you around this Frankia Yucon 63H. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe on our videos, and we welcome comments. See you in the next video, or maybe even the imposter Nigel or my mate Chris.